Gaano man kasama ang tingin mo sa ugali ko, lagi mong tatandaan na may isasama pa yan. Kaya wag ako.
Nagstay ako kasi gusto kong tulungan siyang ayusin ang buhay niya. Karpentero? Anong to ito? Alam ko naman na hindi ako masyadong kagandahan. Pero hindi ko rin masasabi na I'm not attractive. Kasi, lapitin kaya ako. Lapitin ang problema.
Uy, pero no joke ha. Akala ko talaga dati nung hindi pa tayo friends na maldita ka.
Ha? Paano mo nasabi?
Hindi kasi may certain aura ka na parang lagi kang galit sa mundo. Yung parang wala kang time makipagplastikan sa mga tao.
Tama.
Hala.
Patingin nga yung feeling Disney princess dyan. Oh, pak, ang ganda. Oh. Pero dragon nyo nasa loob.
Ano, saan, sino, bakit, sa paano, paraan.
The 4 types of bitch face. Resting, side eye, the eye roll, and the up and down.
Exercise, hindi naman pumapayat. Ay, pasensya na po! Kung hindi pa ako pumapayat. Hayaan ninyo! Kapag pumayat na ako, maglalagay ako ng billboard ko sa INSA. Para naman, hindi! Nakakahiya sa inyo.
Naghahanap daw siya ng someone na bubuo sa kanya. Ay, tama lang dahil. Kasi kulang-kulang ka.
From this to this.
Oh my God!
May attitude daw ako. Yes! True. Exactly. Tumpak. I agree. You're right. Okay na?
Nagkapera ka lang, mayabang ka na. Ay, be! Kahit nung wala pa akong pera, mayabang na talaga ako. At sino ba nagsabi sa'yo may pera ako ngayon?
Well, if I were you...
But you're not, so mind your business. 'Cause nobody asked. Thank you! Congratulations.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? You look like you're missing a vitamin. Vitamin me.
Tigilan mo nga yung kakasabi ng ini-evil eye ka. Day, walang nag-i-evil eye sa'yo. Ikaw ang evil. Wala nang i-evil pa sa'yo. Soft girl naman talaga ako eh. Kaya lang inubusin niyo ang pasensya ko. Kaya wala. Wala nang magiging soft girl sa pamilyang ito.
You don't need to be perfect every single day, and you don't need to meet everyone's expectations. Doing your best is already enough. Some day will be hard and some day will bring ease. This is life. As long as you keep trying and giving what you can, everything will fall into place at the right time. Remember, life isn't about being perfect, it's about being real and accepting every version of yourself.
Grabe, ang init ng panahon ngayon, no? Pero buti ka pa, hindi mo ramdam. Mahangin ka kasi. Hindi daw siya natutuwa sa ugali ko. Ay, responsibilidad ko na pasayahin ka? Ano ka? Hindi pa nauubos yung sahod ko. May sahod na naman.
Hindi, wow.
Ay, sana all. Sana ganon talaga. Hindi daw siya natutuwa sa ugali ko. Ay, responsibilidad ko na pasayahin ka? Ano ka?
5 things I need right now. 1. Money. 2. American money. 3. European money. 4. Indian money. And 5. All kinds of money. 5 things I need right now. 1. Money. 2. American money. 3. European money. 4. Indian money. And 5. All kinds of money.
I may not be the prettiest. I may not have the perfect figure, the perfect skin, or the kind of life people admire on the surface. But one thing I do have is a heart. A heart that loves deeply, feels everything, and stays loyal even when it hurts. A heart that's been broken, tested, and pushed to its limits. but still chooses kindness anyway. I won't apologize for being who I am. I won't shrink myself to fit someone else's expectations, or change just to be easier to love. This is me, flawed, emotional, strong, and still standing. Take it or leave it.
Lord, baka naman ako'y pwede mo nang alisin sa strongest soldiers mo next year. Ako'y pagod na. Saan mo na lang ako ilagay sa Disney Princess?
Stop. I want it, I got it. 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 I want it, I got it.